invest $1,000 a week. Day 373. Labor shortage. Today is the 373rd day of the project, Monday, August 2nd, 2021. Let's look at the market cap. Apple and Microsoft are down. Nasdaq is up by 0.06%, S&P is down by 0.19%, Dow is down by 0.28%. Microsoft is down by 0.03%. Apple is down by 0.23%. CDC said the 7-day average of daily coronavirus cases in the U.S. surpassed the peak seen last summer, when the nation didn't have an authorized vaccine. Construction spending only rose 0.1% in June. Non-residential and public construction contributed to a slower pace. ISM Manufacturing Index showed slowdown in manufacturing sector. Labor shortage kept the growth as economy recovers. Today, I bought 1.4 Apple shares. My total gain is $18,666.44. Let's see how the market moves tomorrow. Please subscribe and like this video. I'll see you on the next episode.